Hello friends, railway establishment rules, objective MCQ and all these questions asked in the recently exam conducted by NAIR in the various department. So let's start. What is the full form of RESS? What is the full form of RESS? Railway Employee Self-Service. Now railway have to self-service. The maximum amount of study leave admissible to a railway servant at one time is dash years. It is 1 year. The maximum amount of study leave admissible at a time is 1 year. When the period of suspension exceeds 3 months, the subsistence allowance to the railway servant may be enhanced up to %, if the competent authority finds that the reason are not directly attributable to the railway servant. In such case, 50% enhancement. It should be enhanced up to 50%. Periodical medical examination PME of serving railway employees who are classified as A1, A2 and A3 should be held once in every 4 years from the date of appointment till dash years of age. Till 45 years of age, once in every 4 years it will be conducted. So till the age of 45 years. What is the full form of UMID? What is the full form of UMID? Unique Medical Identity Card. Unique Medical Identity Card. Under the NPS, no monthly subscription can be made during the period of suspension. True or false? Under the NPS, no monthly subscription can be made during the period of suspension. It is true. During extraordinary leave EOL, subscription to NPS can be made by the employee but not by the employer. The statement is true or false? The statement is false. The statement is false. A Group A railway official working as a teacher on deputation to the National Academy of Indian Railways is entitled to draw training allowance at the rate of dash. Is entitled to draw training allowance at the rate of a Group A railway servant at the rate of 24% of basic pay. Who can be given credit for creating the permanent negotiating machinery on Indian Railway PNM? Credit goes to Sri V.V. Giri. Child care leave is admissible to women's employee with minor children only. Child care leave CCL is admissible to women employees with minor children only. The statement is true. Child care leave admissible for a maximum of 730 days during the entire service to the employee. Child care leave CCL admissible for a maximum of 730 days during the entire service to employee. The statement is true. The statement is true. Encashment of leave on average pay availing railway pass while in service cannot be more than dash days. It should not be more than 60 days. Encashment of leave on average pay. A school pass issued for a son aged above 18 years can include parents or guardian if the son is handicapped. The statement is true. Above 18 years, if child is handicapped, parents should be included. A retired railway servant can act as a defense helper for a maximum of dash cases at a time. The answer is 7. Just write retired, it will come 7 letters. Leave not due is sanctioned when the employee is not having LAP or LHAP balance. The statement is true.